Want to buy crypto instantly and securely using your credit card? Today I'll show you how to do it step by step using GemWallet. And if you don't have GemWallet already, you can find official download links for both Android and iOS on gemwallet.com. Once you have logged in into your GemWallet, click buy, and now select the coin you want to buy. GemWallet gives you a lot of options, but today we'll be buying Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, you have to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. And keep in mind that the minimum amount is $20. For today's tutorial, I will select 50. GemWallet allows you to pick different providers, but for this tutorial I will stick with Mercuryo because it gives you the best rates. And keep in mind that different providers may offer different payment options. Right here you can see the estimated amount of Bitcoin you are going to get for your $50 and what is the current exchange rate for 1 Bitcoin. Once you selected your provider, click continue. And now we are redirected to a website where we can complete our transaction. Now, to complete your purchase, input your email and make sure you use the correct one. Now you have to input the email code you received on your email. Once you type in your code, you can proceed further. And as you can see, with Mercuryo, I'm eligible for Fast Track. Fast Track allows you to complete an instant purchase without doing KYC first. With other providers or higher amounts, you may be asked to complete KYC. And you will have to take a selfie and provide a picture of your ID. However, I will just continue with Fast Track. Now, fill in your payment details and complete the payment. And please note that you may confirm the transaction with your card provider. And keep in mind that the transaction may take a few minutes. The processing time depends on several factors. The payment method you use, the cryptocurrency you are trying to buy, as Bitcoin can take even 90 minutes, and overall the state of the network. If there's a lot of users trying to complete the transaction, your transfer may be slower. And if the transaction is taking longer, like 2 hours or more, please contact the support team of the payment provider you used. Unfortunately, GemWallet support won't be able to help you because this entire transaction is handled by the third party. And once the crypto lands in your wallet, you will see the updated balance. From here you can send it for another wallet, swap it for different crypto, use it for interacting with the apps, or if the cryptocurrency you bought supports staking, you can lock it up to earn rewards over time and earn passive income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more GemWallet tutorials or click here to access full playlist of GemWallet guides.